So if you've got a Clio and your windscreen washer fluid isn't working, oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, look, nothing happens. If you check the fuse and the fuse is fine, stands a chance it's the washer bottle motor pump in there. So I'm going to show you how to change that in a minute. It's the pump on this side, so hopefully it'll only take me a couple of minutes to show you how to do this. So what you're going to need is one of these. You get them off eBay. So it's in here. That's it right there. This is it. So I'm pretty sure you can literally just bend this stuff back. I don't know if there's some screws, but I've managed to just bend it. I think this scuttle panel's in 2 parts. So I'll just pull it out. That's the old one. You can see there's all rust inside it. That's the new one on with the rubber O-ring, which is that bit there. Stands a good chance that you've probably lost the old one or you've pushed it into the washer bottle like I have. So luckily I found this one on eBay and it comes with the rubber grommet. So yeah, and this is the old one. You can see, look, it's full of water and it shouldn't be full of water. So to put it back in, it's the reverse of exactly what I did originally. You need to put those pipes back on, put it on exactly the same. So both of those pipes are on now, and then just push it back in. I'm going to fill it up with some water and we'll check it out. So let's fill it up. That should clip back in place into there, but obviously mine's not got any of the tabs left on it. There we go. Hope that helps.